مامۆستا چۆن بە ئینگلیزی بڵێم خوی شیری هەتا پیری. A direct translation of this proverb gives us something like the habits of milk last till old age. But this is not very clear in English, especially the habits of milk part. How can you communicate this idea that something that someone learns in early childhood continues to affect them even when they are old? The closest equivalent that I can find in English is our saying, old habits die hard. خوی کن با سختی امرن. This proverb can be used for either negative or positive things. پنده یان بشتی ارینی یان بشتی نرینی بکارهیم. Maybe an old man smokes cigarettes because he learned to do this when he was a boy. Or maybe an old man walks a long way to the bazaar every day because when he was a small boy, he learned to walk to the bazaar like this with his father. Old habits die hard.